Hello my dear students, welcome back to chemistry class beta. In the last class we have seen about the topic is nothing but optical activity, enantiomers, diastereomers, RS configuration, meso compounds like that. Good. So from this halogen compounds chapter, so this is the last topic and last video class. This is nothing but polyhalogen compounds. Okay na? Right. Let us see first of all, sir, what is mean by polyhalogen compounds? The compounds which are having the two or more halogen atoms, they are known as polyhalogen compounds. Good. Example is nothing but what beta? Yes, the evergreen example is nothing but DDT. What is mean by DDT? Para, paraprine, dichloro, diphenyl, trichloroethane. Total 5 Cl atoms are there. So we can say polyhalogen example. Next example I want to give you, that is nothing but CFC. Chlorofluorocarbons like CF2, Cl2. You know the examples. Next one is nothing but here I am going to teach you. First suppose this is nothing but iodoform. What is the formula of iodoform? CHI3. What is the formula of chloroform? CHCl3. What is the formula of dichloromethane or methylene chloride? CH2Cl2, CH2Cl2, and also we have to be studied about the CCl4, carbon tetrachloride, is triiodomethane, trichloromethane, dichloromethane, tetrachloromethane. So these are the compounds, they are having more than two or more than halogen atoms are there. So we have to be say that they are nothing but polyhalogen compounds. As per NCERT syllabus, इस कंपाउंड के बारे में पढ़ाई किए तो that will be enough for you Nana. Okay, right. Let us go for first of all. I am going to start with evergreen topic, that is nothing but what beta? DDT से शुरू करेंगे. Right. Yeah, DDT. सर व्हाट इज अब्रिविएशन ऑफ डीडीटी? अब्रिविएशन भी एग्जाम में रिपीट हुआ ना. डीडीटी फुल फॉर्म क्या हो सकता है? द अब्रिविएशन इज पैरा कामा पैराप्रान. सर प्राइम क्यों बता रहे हैं? बिकॉज ऑफ दो पैरा प्लेस को ओके ना सेपरेशन करने के लिए, डिस्टिंग्विशन के लिए अपन यूज कर सकते हैं ना. पैरा कामा पैराप्राइम डाइक्लोरो डाइफिनाइल diphenyl, trichloroethane, diphenyl, trichloroethane. Okay, is DDT, diphenyl, trichloroethane. This is the abbreviation of what beta? DDT. Good. Yeah, so try to remember DDT ka some uses I want to show you. Before going to show the uses, I want to give you here IUPAC name. In objective exam, so many times IUPAC name also repeated Nana. ये तो common name हो सकता, but here I am going to show you the IUPAC name. So IUPAC name लिखना है तो what do you want? Structure. Based on structure only we can get the IUPAC name. That's why first of all I am going to show you the preparation. How to prepare DDT. So preparation of DDT कैसे करते बोले तो yes we have to be consider first of all yes I am going to show you preparation. First of all we have to consider a formula CCl3 bonded to CHO. Important formula, don't okay now forget. Right, CCl3, its name is nothing but chloral. CCl3 bond CHO. क्या बोलना पड़ेगा? Chloral. The name is nothing but trichloroacetaldehyde. Trichloroacetaldehyde, this is called chloral. Chloral undergo reaction with chlorobenzene. Okay na? What beta? Chlorobenzene. Right. But here how many phenyl? Phenyl means benzene. How many benzenes you required? Diphenyl. दो benzene चाहिए. Nothing but here I am going to consider 2 moles of benzene. Good. So this is nothing but what beta? 2 moles of chlorobenzene. Chloral on reaction with chlorobenzene in presence of a suitable dehydrating agent. This is nothing but concentrated what beta? Sulfuric acid. You know very well. Okay, right. So listen carefully. Cl opposite place is nothing but para. From this para place I am going to remove the hydrogen. So how many benzenes are there? 2 benzenes. From both the benzenes, from the para place we are going to remove the 2 hydrogen. Such 2 hydrogens which are removed from the para place of chlorobenzene combines with oxygen and goes to be removed in the form of H2O. And now it forms the product is nothing but what beta? Is now it forms the product is nothing but DDT. I am going to show the DDT formula. CCl3 bond CH as it is. Okay beta. Two hydrogen combines with O and eliminated in the form of H2O. After removal of oxygen, here it contain what? Oxygen is nothing but divalent. So we have to be satisfied two bonds. After removal of oxygen, we are writing two bonds. One bond connected with one chlorobenzene and another bond connected with another chlorobenzene. How many chlorobenzenes are there? Two. So it connected to same para place of benzene, opposite Cl. Again same thing. C is connected to para place of benzene, opposite to Cl. Okay na? Right na? So let us see IUPAC name. This is your abbreviation of what beta? DDT. एक बार abbreviation देखो. This is nothing but para place and ये भी para place. To show the variation, and you denote this is para place and you denote this is nothing but para prime. Okay? So para comma para prime dichloro diphenyl trichloro ethane. This is the common name. I hope you understand. Good. And let us go for IUPAC name. So यहाँ पर at a time 3 substituents are there, but upon second carbon here only 2 substituents are there. 3 more substituents carbon that will denoted as first priority, and this carbon will get the second priority. Okay na? Right. Now in that case I am going to show you. So this is carbon 1, this is carbon 2 na beta. This is main chain. Now it will be side chain, it will be side chain. Again in that side chain, this is 1 prime, this is 2 prime, this is 3 prime, this is 4 prime. Here also same thing. 1 prime, 2 prime, 3 prime, 4 prime. Okay na? Right. Now we are going to read the IUPAC name. How to read the IUPAC name? IUPAC name of DDT. So side chain 1, side chain 2. Two bulky side chains present upon 2. So we have to say that 2 comma 2, 2 comma 2. Two bulky side chains present upon which position? Second position. So I want to say that this is nothing but bis. Bulky complex को ऐसे ही बताना पड़ेगा. Bis. Okay ना? Twice, thrice like that बोलते ना bulky. So two bulky we have to be say that bis in bracket में. So what are the two bis complexes? 4 prime chloro. Here also 4 prime chloro. 4 prime chloro. Chloro present upon which ring? Phenyl ring. Side chain do be completed. Bas. Remaining. How many side chains are there? 3 side chains upon first carbon. Dash 1 comma 1 comma 1. Trichloro. 2 carbons are there. Means we have to be say that eth. And a single bond is there, nothing but A. Once again. So 2 comma 2 base. 4 prime chlorophenyl. 4 prime chlorophenyl. दो हैं यहाँ पर. That's why I am saying base. Remaining 3 side chains 1 comma 1 comma 1 upon trichloro. Okay, and the compound is nothing but what? Ethane. This is your common name and this is the IUPAC name of respective DDT complex. Okay, right now. Yeah, let us see some features of DDT. DDT is nothing but a non-biodegradable pollutant. Which type of pollutant beta? Degradable or non-biodegradable? DDT is a non-biodegradable pollutant. Important nana means it may be causes the harmful effect nana. Because of it won't be degraded by the microorganisms. Because of this is non-biodegradable pollutant. So due to its non-biodegradable nature, we have to be say that it goes to be act as powerful insecticide. So many times question repeated. So which is the insecticide? DDT. So we have to be say that it acts as powerful insecticide. And one more thing, it is also very important. DDT it shows a very dangerous effect on the fish nana. So जो fish का वो system रहता है बेटा, okay ना metabolic system that will be very sensitive towards what nana? DDT. So DDT को बहुत दूर रखना पड़ेगा, okay ना, in the area of in the lake of fishes nana. So we have to be say that it is highly toxic to This is highly toxic to what beta? Fish. Good. And one more thing I want to say that in the DDT, how many chlorines are there? 1, 2, 2 plus 3, 5. Total 5 chlorines are there. So they ask the question once. What they ask beta? Among the following, the highly chlorinated insecticide is. First chlorinated insecticide is. Answer is nothing but what beta? DDT. Be careful, very important. So क्या बोल सकते हैं अपन? This is nothing but. So this is nothing but the first chlorinated organic insecticide. Okay, so highly toxic to fish and powerful insecticide, and it is nothing but non-biodegradable pollutant. So due to this all harmful effects, okay, it was used in World War II. उसमें भी use किया गया बेटा. So in the World War II, okay ना, is which compound they have utilized? DDT को use किया गया बेटा. So World War II में use किया गया. In the year is nothing but 1873. Okay, right. So this is your story about the DDT beta. Good. Let us go for another polyhalogen compound. This is nothing but CFC. CFC. What is the another name of CFC? CFC another name is nothing but how to be say that prions. क्या बोल सकते हैं? Prions बोल सकते हैं ना. Right. So let us see what is the definition of the CFC. CFC का definition अपन ये बता सकते हैं बेटा. We can show the definition, that is nothing but C for chloro, F for fluoro, and C for compounds of chlorofluoro compounds of methane and ethane. Chlorofluoro compounds of methane and ethane. Nothing but both are what? Carbon compounds. So simply we can say chlorofluorocarbons. Chlorofluorocarbons, or we can say chlorofluoro compounds of methane and ethane. Let us go for example beta. The examples are nothing but the CF2Cl2. You can see the name difluorocarbon. Otherwise difluoromethane. CFC. Chlorofluorocarbon. Difluoro, which compound? Methane. Like that they have to be said. And one more name, CFCs and prions, they can be used as coolant or we can say refrigerants. Nothing but cooling agents में use कर सकते हैं, especially अपन uses में use करते हैं बेटा. Okay, right. So we can say they are nothing but used in making refrigerants. CF2Cl2, okay, now it is known as refrigerant 12. So they will ask you among the following R12 refrigerant, R12 prion is. Formula CF2Cl2. Okay, right. Another example I want to show you, CF2HCl. CF2HCl. Again same thing, chloro, difluoromethane. Okay, same thing, chlorofluorocarbon. And it is known as refrigerant number 22. So like this type of prions and CFCs we can see later. Good. So what are the properties of prions? Prions के uses and properties क्या हो सकते हैं? The properties are nothing but the prions are the easily liquefiable gases. Prions are the easily liquefiable gases. Next point is nothing but prions are extremely stable in nature. And prions are in nature, that is nothing but non-reactive nature. And also we can say these are in nature, itna effect dangerous bhi nahi ho sakta. So we can say this is nothing but non-toxic. And CFCs and prions, due to their non-metallic nature, they won't prefer the corrosion and rusting. So we have to be say that they are in nature, the nature is nothing but non-corrosive nature. Okay, right. These are the properties of CFCs and also we can say prions. Good. Right. Next point is nothing but, sir, what is the effect of prions? प्रियान का इफेक्ट क्या हो सकती है? The chlorofluorocarbons or prions which are used in ACs, okay na, is they goes to be released into the environment and they reaches to the stratosphere. In presence of stratosphere, they will be undergo decomposition by the powerful UV radiations. After that, such prions and chlorofluorocarbons upon reaction with what beta is in presence of powerful UV radiations. They goes to be decomposed into the Cl dot. What is mean by Cl dot? So this is nothing but chlorine free radical. Such chlorine free radicals you know very well. Chlorine free radicals, they are responsible to cause the ozone depletion. This is important topic. So chlorofluorocarbons, they are responsible to cause the ozone depletion due to release of chlorine free radical. So chlorine free radical reacts with O3, ozone layer, and O3 changes into O2 by the release of free oxygen. So O3 changes into O2 means automatically ozone layer क्या हुआ वहाँ पर? Depletion हो गया बेटा, destruction हो गया. So it is the deflect, okay ना, effect of what बेटा? CFC. Good. So what is the use of CFC? Okay ना, मैंने इफेक्ट तो बता दिया आपको, बट यूज क्या हो सकता है बोले तो just now I told you so many times. So these are used in making refrigerants and also they are used as aerosol propellants. So aerosol propellants are nothing but some type of fuels which are in compressed state, which are useful in production of energy. Okay na, right? So useful in making refrigerants and useful in making what na aerosol propellants. These are the uses. And defect बताने तो क्या बताना पड़ेगा? Effect is nothing but it causes the responsible for ozone depletion due to release of chlorine free radical. Right beta. Second polyhalogen compound story also over. Go for third polyhalogen compound. This is nothing but CHI3. What is mean by CHI3? Triiodomethane, or we can say it is also known as iodoform. Okay. So इसका information as per our syllabus इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है. I want to make short, just to two terms. Iodoform, the formula is nothing but CHI3. So CHI3, it can be used as, you know very well. So this is nothing but useful in making antiseptic. Useful in making what? Antiseptic. We have studied in the chapter chemistry in everyday life. Tincture of iodine act as what? Antiseptic. So it can be used as antiseptic for cleaning of what beta? Is wounds. So wound cleaning में use कर सकते हैं ना. So we can say that is nothing but antiseptic which will kill the microorganisms. Good. And also one more thing I want to say is iodoform, it was used in making ear powders to prevent the what beta? Ear infections. So ear infections को use करने के लिए अपन ear drop use करते हैं ना बेटा. In that one of the ingredient that is nothing but what beta? Iodoform, because of its nature is antiseptic nature. Bas, enough now. Next go for I am going to discuss with you, that is nothing but another one that was so important. This is nothing but what beta? Chloroform. Shall we discuss about the chloroform? Okay beta. What is the formula of chloroform? CHCl3. Trichloromethane, and also we can say its name is nothing but what beta? Chloroform. And also we can say trichloromethane. Okay, let us see first of all same thing uses. So uses consider करेंगे पहले. What are the uses of chloroform? सबको मालूम. So before going to surgery, doctors they are going to use what nana? Chloroform, because of it is nothing but what? An anesthetic agent. Anesthesia में use करते nana. So we have to be say that anesthetic agent used as anesthetic agent before going to do surgery. Right. Next point is nothing but A point भी remember करना आपको. Used as solvent in manufacture of fats and alkalides. So in manufacture of fats and alkalides, we can use as a solvent. Okay, which compound beta? Chloroform. And also I want to consider one more. Okay, one is anesthetic agent and one more is nothing but used as solvent in manufacture of fats and what, Nana? Alkalides. And evergreen, Nana, just to, and you do one thing, here CHCl3 is there, 2 chlorine replaced by 2 fluorine, you are getting this one, CF2HCl. So by the replacement of hydrogen by halogen or chlorine by fluorine, whatever that may be, from chloroform we can prepare this type of what, beta? Prions. So chloroform can be used in manufacture of what, Nana? Is prions. So prions preparation में अपन क्या यूज कर सकते हैं बेटा? क्लोरोफॉर्म को यूज कर सकते हैं. Okay, enough. So anesthetic agents and solvents and used in manufacture of prion and CFC refrigerants. Like examples you can consider. Good. Right. Let us go for क्लोरोफॉर्म से मैं आपको यहाँ पर एक क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहता. क्वेश्चन पूछने के बाद लेट अस गो टू डिस्कस अबाउट द इफेक्ट्स ऑफ क्लोरोफॉर्म. ओके ना? राइट. सो क्वेश्चन क्या है बोले तो, व्हाई क्लोरोफॉर्म गोज टू बी स्टोर्ड इन ए क्लोज्ड डार्क बॉटल. क्लोज्ड डार्क बॉटल में क्यों स्टोर करके रखना पड़ेगा क्लोरोफॉर्म को? द रीजन इज, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम गोइंग टू शो द रिएक्शन. क्लोरोफॉर्म फॉर्मूला CHCl3. Okay, and you suppose it is present in open vessel. Okay na? It is present in open vessel. Nothing but it goes to exposed to the environment. Nothing but undergo oxidation by atmospheric air. I am going to consider just half moles of O2 or a free oxygen atom. And reaction goes to be takes place due to its open nature. Reaction will be takes place in presence of what, Nana? Sunlight. Chloroform on oxidation by air in presence of sunlight, automatically it releases the gas HCl gas. After the loss of HCl, that becomes a very dangerous and a poisonous gas. Okay, now will be formed beta. So what is the compound? How many carbons are there? 1 carbon. Let us write. Of O2 खाली एक ही ऑक्सीजन. 3 में यहाँ पर okay now 1 chlorine. How many hydrogens? 1 hydrogen takes 1 chlorine and goes to be eliminated in the form of HCl. Remaining is nothing but 2 chlorine. We have to be say that COCl2. What is the name of this compound? So the name of this compound is our green important topic. This is nothing but phosgene. क्या बोलते हैं बेटा? Phosgene. Phosgene is a poisonous gas, a very dangerous poisonous gas of chlorine content. Okay now, and what is the name of poison? Carbonyl chloride. Formula COCl2. Chemical name phosgene. Chemical name carbonyl chloride. Chemical formula COCl2. And what is the common name? Phosgene. So it is nothing but a dangerous what beta? Poisonous gas. So chloroform on oxidation by what? Air in presence of sunlight. It gives the formation of a poisonous gas that is nothing but what, Nana? Phosgene. It shows a very dangerous effect, especially on the liver and kidneys. Okay, na? So due to this reason, to avoid this decomposition reaction, always we have to be store that chloroform in a closed dark bottles. Try to be remember. Good. So now let us go to discuss about the what are the effects of chloroform. क्लोरोफॉर्म के इफेक्ट्स क्या क्या हो सकते हैं? Right, Nana. Okay, chloroform effects are right. Effects of chloroform. CHCl3. Right. Number 1, the chloroform in the percentage or in the appropriate amount that is equal to 900 ppm. ppm means parts per million. अगर ये atmosphere में, if in atmosphere the content of chloroform is 900 ppm, then it causes what are the effects? So chloroform about 900 ppm. Due to breathing of chloroform about 900 ppm, it causes the effects that is nothing but headache, and it causes the dizziness, and it causes the one more effect. This is nothing but what beta? Fatigue. Important effects. So dizziness, headache and fatigue. Headache सबको मालूम, चक्कर आके गिरने का कोशिश रहता. Dizziness का meaning exact word is okay, loss of imbalance. Okay ना, it's they goes to be fall down. So हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं, वो चक्कर आके गिर जाते बोलते ना बेटा. That is the meaning of dizziness. And fatigue, nothing but tiredness. So completely body तो बहुत ही weak हो जाता, headache आ जाएगा. So all these effects, okay ना, we can see due to the presence of chloroform in atmosphere, that is about 900 ppm. Good. So first suppose in atmosphere, okay now, chloroform in X is contained. Nothing but I want to say that high level of, or we can say high concentration of chloroform. High concentration of chloroform, it goes to damages the but I told you, it goes to damages the especially liver and kidneys due to release of which function nana? Poisonous gas. High concentration of chloroform, it damages the liver and what beta? Kidneys. Liver and kidneys. So this type of effects we have to be faced due to presence of chloroform if it is in open atmosphere. Okay, that's why always we have to be store that chloroform in a closed dark bottles में store करना पड़ेगा. Okay ना, चल good बेटा. Next go for another topic. This is nothing but CH2Cl2. CH2Cl2. Sir, what is meant by CH2Cl2? I want to okay ना use a word. The short form is nothing but DCM. I say use करो. CH2Cl2 means DCM. Sir, DCM का meaning क्या है? DCM means dichloromethane. Dichloromethane. DCM, dichloromethane. 2 chlorine, dichloro, 1 carbon, methane. Single bonds are there. Okay. This is IUPAC name and common name is CH2 means methylene chloride. Again, don't say dichloride. This is Jamnana. So methylene chloride. This is common name. IUPAC name is dichloromethane. Good. Uses क्या हो सकते हैं DCM का uses? So DCM it can be used as solvent in preparation of drugs. Nothing but medicine preparation में use कर सकते हैं. Used as solvent in manufacture of paints and varnishes. So we can say nothing but used in paint strippers, and also we can say used in paint removers. Paint strippers and paint removers. Nothing but varnish making में and painting preparation में अपन क्या यूज कर सकते हैं ना? Used as the solvent. The solvent is nothing but DCM, methylene chloride, or we can say CH2Cl2. And also yes, DCM and okay, what are dichloromethane? It can be used as aerosol propellant. Aerosol propellants. Good. Next, let us go for the effect. What is the effect of DCM? What are the effects of DCM? Dichloromethane के effects क्या हो सकते हैं? So the effects of DCM and dichloromethane are number one in that it affects the human CNS. कंप्लीटली ह्यूमन का CNS सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम वो कंप्लीटली डैमेज हो जाएगा ड्यू टू टेकिंग ऑफ व्हाट का ना DCM. सो इतना पावरफुल ओके ना डेंजरस कोमा इफेक्ट आएगा. दैट्स व्हाई आई टोल्ड यू इट इज यूज्ड एज सॉल्वेंट इन मैन्युफैक्चर ऑफ व्हाट ड्रग्स नाना. ड्रग्स दे विल शोज द एक्शन ओनली ऑन व्हाट CNS सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम. सो इट अफेक्ट्स द ह्यूमन CNS. नेक्स्ट आई वांट टू से वन मोर पॉइंट. लो लेवल ऑफ DCM. Low level of what nana dichloromethane, it causes the effects. Number one is nothing but headache, and one more is nothing but fatigue, nothing but tiredness. Next go for I want to say high concentration of DCM, or we can say high level of DCM, high level of dichloromethane, and it causes the effects. It damages the livers and it goes to damage the kidney. and also it goes to causes the dizziness, nothing but loss of imbalance, and also it causes another disease that is nothing but nausea, means vomiting sensation beta, and also it causes the disease that is nothing but numbness, nothing but especially numbness we can see in fingers and toes nana. So कभी कभी क्या बन जाते हैं fingers and toes, they will become senseless nana, इतना motion भी free नहीं हो सकता nana. Such condition is due to presence of which one nana, CH2Cl2, and this is called numbness. So numbness in fingers and toes, they will become senseless nana. Okay, so low level causes headache and fatigue, and high level causes damages the livers and kidneys, and also causes the dizziness and vomiting, nothing but nausea, and also what nana, numbness in fingers and toes, that is called tingling disease. So this all are the effects, they are caused by DCM, dichloromethane. Good. So last and final polyhalogen compound, this is nothing but what beta, carbon tetrachloride, CCl4. Let us go to discuss about that. So what is the formula of carbon tetrachloride? CCl4. What is the IUPAC name of CCl4? Tetrachloro, only one carbon is there, so we have to be say that tetrachloromethane. Okay, so carbon tetrachloride, or we can say tetrachloromethane, and the formula is nothing but what beta, CCl4. Right, tetrachloromethane. Let us go for first of all directly अपन uses के बारे में discuss करेंगे. Carbon tetrachloride CCl4, its another name is called pyrene. Very important question, repeated so many times in exam. Why we are saying pyrene? Pyrene क्यों बोल रहे? Because of pyrene, it can be used as fire extinguisher. Carbon tetrachloride, it can be used as a fire extinguisher under the name of pyrene. Among the following, the fire extinguisher is CCl4. ये नहीं दे सकते, ऑप्शन में क्या दे सकते? Pyrene दे सकते. Try to remember. Already repeated question. Good. And also carbon tetrachloride, especially in earlier days, okay, now in olden days, carbon tetrachloride, it can be used as a dry cleaning agent. Next, and carbon tetrachloride, same thing, it can be used as solvent. And due to presence of more content of chlorine acts as germicide. So due to such nature, due to presence of more number of chlorine, we have to be say that chlorine can be used as pesticide due to its germical nature. Next, and carbon tetrachloride is same thing, it can be used in manufacture of refrigerants. And also the example is nothing but we can say what on a CFC na, chlorofluorocarbon, by the replacement of chlorine, okay na, is so 2 chlorines are replaced by 2 fluorine, you are getting CF2Cl2. So useful in making, okay na, refrigerants, and also is useful in making what na, same uses, this is nothing but aerosol propellants. These are the uses. Let us go to CCl4 effects. कार्बन टेट्राक्लोराइड के इफेक्ट्स क्या क्या देख सकते हैं तुम लोग? कार्बन टेट्राक्लोराइड, it causes, common effect is nothing but irregular heartbeat, लफ्ज़ प्रॉपर वे में नहीं चलेगा बेटा. And also most common effects are, it causes the same thing, dizziness, and it causes the, okay now what an headache, and also it causes the fatigue, means tiredness, and also it can causes nausea, nothing but vomiting sensations. Good. Next go for carbon tetrachloride. It goes to effects when it was in high concentration. high concentration of CCl4, it causes high concentration of carbon tetrachloride. It goes to damages the brain system and also liver and also kidneys and also it goes to damages the digestive system. Once again, carbon tetrachloride when it was in high level, it causes the effects, okay now brain damage and liver and kidneys, they goes to be what ना उनका functional थोड़ा सा disturb हो जाएगा. And one more is nothing but digestive system, everything will goes to be disturbed due to presence of what ना high concentration of carbon tetrachloride because of more content of chlorine ना बेटा. So due to that reason all this goes to be damaged, all this goes to be affect. So due to effect of this all, such condition may leads to dangerous condition. Such condition is nothing but stupor condition. क्या बोल सकते हैं? स्टूपर मीन्स कंप्लीटली बॉडी क्या हो जाता, सेंसलेस बन जाता. एंड ऑल्सो वी कैन से दिस बॉडी विल बी मूव्स इनटू द कंडीशन दैट इज कॉल्ड कोमा कंडीशन. एक नहीं दो नहीं, लिवर किडनी ब्रेन ऑल द फंक्शंस दे गोज टू बी डैमेज. दैट मीन्स डाइजेस्ट सिस्टम भी डैमेज हो जाता, खाना भी नहीं खा सकते, अगर खाए तो डाइजेस्ट भी नहीं हो सकता. सो लाइक दैट ऑफ नंबर ऑफ इफेक्ट्स विल बी देयर. दैट मीन्स सच कंडीशन लीड्स टू स्टूपर कंडीशन ड्यू टू लैक ऑफ एनर्जी. दे विल बिकम सेंसलेस, means they will move into the condition is coma condition. So these are the effects, they are caused by carbon tetrachloride. Okay beta, right. So carbon tetrachloride CCl4, it upon reaction with steam, nothing but water vapors. Carbon tetrachloride on reaction with steam and also we can say superheated steam, nothing but highly heated water vapors. Okay, so carbon tetrachloride on reaction with superheated steam, definitely 2 hydrogen combines with 2 chlorine and goes to be eliminated in the form of HCl. Remaining 1 carbon, 1 oxygen, 2 chlorine. So we can say this is nothing but what Nana? COCl2. What is the name of COCl2? The name of COCl2 is nothing but what beta? Phosgene. Just now we have studied phosgene, or we can say carbonyl chloride, poisonous gas of chlorine. So we can prepare phosgene from 2 methods. One from chloroform, one more from carbon tetrachloride. Chloroform upon oxidation gives phosgene, but यहाँ पर carbon tetrachloride by passing over the superheated steam that gives phosgene. 2 methods are there for the preparation of phosgene. Try to remember both the methods. Okay na? Yes. This is the story about the, okay now, what beta? Polyhalogen compounds. All the compounds we have studied. Next, I want to discuss with you some of the out of syllabus. Out of means out of NCERT. Because of they are all repeated question in previous exams. And these are related to interlinked to other organic chapters also. Okay? So just 4 to 5 equations I want to show you right now. Right. So here I want to show you iodoform test. You know very well, you may have prepared Nana. Yes, iodoform test. But listen carefully, you have prepared the iodoform test. Iodoform is nothing but haloform CH3 ना बेटा, पॉलीहैलोजन कंपाउंड, इसलिए यहाँ पे डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. अल्कोहल में पढ़ाई की, एल्डिहाइड कीटोन में भी पढ़ाई की है ना. Yes, once again, iodoform test for one for ethyl alcohol, one more for isopropyl alcohol. 2 कंपाउंड के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. गुड. CH3 बॉन्ड, CH2 बॉन्ड, OH. How to prepare such polyhalogen compound? Which polyhalogen compound? Iodoform. Formula CH3. उसको कैसे prepare करना अपन? Good. CH3 bond, CH2 bonded to OH. So this is nothing but ethyl alcohol, or we can say ethanol. It is a primary alcohol. It undergo the reaction with iodine. The iodine is nothing but 4 moles of I2 and 6 moles of NaOH. This ratio should be fixed. So ethanol on reaction with iodine, in presence of alkali. What is the ratio of iodine and alkali? 4:6. This should be fixed, right? So here one of the carbon, this is nothing but CH3 carbon, that goes to be changes into iodoform. What is the formula of iodoform? CHI3. That means here you are getting yellow crystals, and also we can say yellow precipitate. The name is nothing but iodoform. Another carbon is there, that another carbon goes to be changes into the salts of carboxylic acid, nothing but salts of formic acid, HCONA, sodium salt of formic acid, and also we can say the short name, this is nothing but sodium formate. Sodium formate. Good. And remaining here, how many sodiums are there? 6 sodiums. यहाँ पर 1 sodium. Remaining 5 sodiums are there. That goes to be eliminated in the form of 5 moles of NaI, and we have to be write 5 moles of water. Everything will be balanced. If you want, you can check. But try to remember this coefficients. Iodine coefficient 4, alkali is 6. This must be fixed. Maybe from ethyl alcohol, maybe from isopropyl alcohol. Okay. Iodoform test for ethanol is over. Next, iodoform test for isopropyl alcohol. CH3 bond CH, below plane OH, bonded to CH3. What is the compound name, beta? Isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol, or we can say 2-propanol. It upon reaction with iodine, same the moles is nothing but 4 moles. And reaction with alkali, how many moles? 6 moles. Again, one of the carbon, star carbon, यहाँ पर star carbon, star only changes into iodoform. यहाँ पर भी one of the carbon is star mark, and you suppose it goes to be changes into iodoform with crystals, yellow PPT crystals, that goes to be settles down. Here listen Nana, one carbon changes into iodoform, but another carbon changes into salts of carboxylic acid. Okay, one carbon changes into iodoform, but remaining how many carbon? 2 carbon, means you are getting 2 carbon salt of carboxylic acid. So 2 carbon salt of carboxylic acid, CH3COOH, but H replaced by Na. Sodium salt of acetic acid, and also we can say short name sodium acetate. What is the short name, beta? Sodium acetate. And remaining 2 byproducts, they are common, 5 moles of NaI, and also what I told you, 5 moles of H2O. So listen carefully. Iodoform, iodoform, haloform. Listen once again. 4 moles of I2, you will get iodoform. 4 moles of Cl2, you will get chloroform. 4 moles of Br2, you will get bromoform. Means chloroform, bromoform, iodoform. Like that, all types of halogen compounds we can prepare. So that's why these reactions are known as, we have to be say that, haloform reactions. I2 लिए तो iodoform, Cl2 लिए तो chloroform, Br2 लिए तो bromoform. From ethyl alcohol, from isopropyl alcohol. Okay na? Right. So on reaction with iodine and alkali, everything is clear with that. Good. And another question, so many times repeated in objective exam. Preparation of chloroform. Preparation of chloroform from bleaching powder. From bleaching powder and ethyl alcohol, or we can say ethanol. So we have to prepare the chloroform by taking the raw material bleaching powder, and another raw material is ethanol. Right. Let us go for first of all bleaching powder formula. What is the formula of bleaching powder? CaOCl2. First of all, bleaching powder, you suppose undergo hydrolysis, and calcium oxychloride bleaching powder, when it dissolves in water, it forms calcium hydroxide, and also it releases the gas is nothing but Cl2 gas. So here how many products you are getting? 2 products. Such 2 products we have to be used. Along with the 2 products, we have to use ethanol. 1 ethanol, 2 these 2 products. So ये 2 products को use करना, and we have to use ethanol by taking these 3 products. By taking this 3 raw material, now we have to prepare the chloroform. Okay. Step 1 here, 3 steps are there. From what? Ethanol. What is the formula of ethanol? CH3 bonded to CH2, CH2 bonded to OH. So this is nothing but ethanol, or we can say primary alcohol. Step 1, oxidation. Primary alcohols upon oxidation gives aldehyde. So ethyl alcohol upon oxidation gives 2 carbon aldehyde. This is nothing but acetaldehyde. Okay, now go to second step. What is the formula of acetaldehyde? CH3 bonded to CHO. Now acetaldehyde undergo reaction with, this is the reagent. What? Chlorine. But at alpha carbon, how many hydrogens are there? 3 hydrogens. So we require 3 moles of Cl2. All 3 hydrogens replaced by 3 chlorine, and they goes to be removed in the form of 3 moles of HCl. All 3 hydrogens are replaced by 3 chlorines now beta. So we can write CCl3 bonded to CHO. In this class only I told you. What is the name? This is acetaldehyde CH3CHO. This is trichloroacetaldehyde, or we can say its name is nothing but what beta? Chloral. DDT preparation में use किया ना beta? That one. Good. Next one is again such chloral CCl3 bond CHO. What is the chloral formula? CCl3 bond CHO. This is called chloral. CCl3 bond CHO. This is known as chloral. Chloral undergo reaction with another byproduct, calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. But due to presence of 2OH, they have to be take 2 moles. So अपन bond यहाँ पर break कर देना. Okay na? Here how many hydrogens are there? 2 hydrogens are there. One hydrogen given to this one, you are getting CHCl3. Another hydrogen given to another form, you are getting CHCl3. How many moles of chloroform? Yes, here you are getting, the answer is nothing but 2 moles of CHCl3. Chloroform आ गया. Remaining is nothing but which salt? Calcium salt. You are getting calcium salt of carboxylic acid. Nothing but here you are getting the byproduct is calcium formate. Calcium formate. Okay, so preparation of chloroform using bleaching powder, nothing but bleaching powder products, and also one more is nothing but ethanol. So ethanol to bleaching chloroform using bleaching powder products. One is Cl2, one more is nothing but calcium hydroxide. In that way we have to be prepare the chloroform from bleaching powder products and ethanol in the 3 steps. Ethanol to acetaldehyde, oxidation. Acetaldehyde to chloral, chlorination. Chloral upon reaction with alkali changes into chloroform. Last and final. What is the formula of chloroform? CHCl3. And you suppose it undergo reaction with nitric acid. What is the formula of nitric acid? HNO3. Concentrated nitric acid. Important topic, try to be focused. So chloroform formula CHCl3, it upon reaction with what Nana? Concentrated nitric acid. Yes, definitely it goes to lose the molecule is nothing but water molecule. HHO remove कर दो, remaining is nothing but CCl3 bond. यहाँ से oxygen गया, NO3 becomes what Nana? NO2. Very important compound is its name is nothing but chloropicrin. Try to remember Nana. Evergreen important topic. What is mean by chloropicrin? Yes, chloropicrin is nothing but it is also known as tear gas. So police वाले वो strike करने वाले के पर use करते ना बेटा. Yes, that is nothing but tear gas. And also we can say it can be used as war gas, tear gas or war gas, or we can say chloropicrin. These are the names. So how to get chloropicrin? Chloroform on reaction with concentrated nitric acid, it gives the product is nothing but tear gas, or we can say chloropicrin, or we can say war gas. Sir, what is the IUPAC name of such tear gas? So this is carbon number 1, only 1 carbon is there. Okay na? So 1 comma 1 comma 1 trichloro. What is the group? Another is nitro. Only 1 carbon is nothing but meth, and single bond is nothing but ale. So simply we can say trichloronitromethane. This is the IUPAC name of chloropicrin. Formula important, name important, common names, IUPAC name, everything, and evergreen, and preparation also. How to prepare chloropicrin or tear gas? When chloroform reacts with nitric acid, that forms the product is nothing but tear gas, or we can say chloropicrin. Common name, IUPAC name, everything is okay. Next, like the same another reaction is there. Again I am going to consider CHCl3. What is mean by CHCl3 beta? Chloroform. It upon reaction with, very important, this is nothing but acetone. CH3 bonded to C double bond O bonded to CH3. So what is the compound name beta? Acetone. So acetone upon heating with, upon reaction, it gives a product is nothing but, okay, I want to give you. So the product is nothing but, listen carefully. Yes, this is nothing but central C. I have written there as it is. Around central C, how many methyl groups are there? 2 methyl group. Yes, I am going to write here as it is. As compared to carbon, oxygen contain more electronegativity. Oxygen contains charge minus. Minus will accept the plus. That is nothing but H plus. Shifted to O. O become OH. Okay, H gaya. Remaining is what? CCl3. We have to be right here as it is. So one type of addition product. Okay, right. So, but its name is nothing but this is known as क्लोरीटोन. एवरग्रीन इंपॉर्टेंट ऑब्जेक्टिव में बहुत ही बार रिपीट हो चुका. क्लोरीटोन. व्हाट इज मीन बाय क्लोरीटोन? क्लोरीटोन को अपन मेडिसिन में यूज कर सकते हैं. इस क्लोरीटोन इट गोज टू बी यूज्ड एज व्हाट बेटा? Chlorotone can be used as used as a hypnotic drug. Hypnotism करने के लिए साइक्रेटिस्ट मेडिसिन में क्या यूज करते हैं ना, क्लोरीटोन को यूज कर सकते हैं. बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इज नथिंग बट hypnotic drug. Okay, right. So try to write yourself IUPAC name. Just I want to give the hint. Carbon number 1 because of it and 3 substituents are there, and this is 2 and this is 3. IUPAC name कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 1,1,1 trichloro 2 methyl 2 propanol. Like that you can write yourself. Good. So next point is nothing but I want to give you. I am going to consider here 2 moles of chloroform. 2 moles of chloroform upon heating with silver powder. Upon heating with what? Silver powder. Yes sir. 2 carbons are there, 2 hydrogens are there. Means you are getting the product is C2H2. What is meant by C2H2? Acetylene. Remaining 6 Ags are there, 6 chlorines are there. We have to remove the product is nothing but 6 moles of AgCl. So chloroform on heating with silver powder, it gives the product is nothing but acetylene. Next, last and final, what is the formula of chloroform? CHCl3. Like that. So chloroform upon alkaline hydrolysis. Nothing but reaction with aqueous NaOH. Here how many Cl's are there? 3 Cl. So we have to be take 3 moles of aqueous NaOH. So now what will be happen? Na combines with Cl, Na combines with Cl, Na combines with Cl. So we are going to lose 3 moles of NaCl. After that, Cl replaced by OH, Cl replaced by OH, Cl replaced by OH. That's why I have taken 3 moles. So answer, H bonded to C, Cl replaced by OH, Cl replaced by OH, Cl replaced by OH. This is highly unstable form because of at a time the carbons which are having at a time 2 OH or more than 2 OH, such forms are highly unstable. Such highly unstable form, to get stability, it undergo the process of dehydration. How to do? OH remove कर दो, H remove करो. यहाँ पर after removal of H, this bond single become double. Okay ना? So H bonded to C double bond O, OH. Means you are getting the answer is nothing but formic acid. Very important. Okay na? Right. Chloroform upon alkaline hydrolysis, it gives the product is formic acid. बीच में unstable form कभी consider नहीं करना. Okay ना बेटा? This 3, okay now 1, 2, 3, 4 बहुत ही important for objective point of view. Okay, this is not in your first chapter syllabus. Of course, may be present in other chapters. Okay, but try to remember here only. ये दो भी important ना ये तो syllabus में भी नहीं है, मगर guarantee they will ask you the question so many times repeated ना. One is chloropicrin, one more is nothing but chloritone. Yes, chloropicrin is tear gas and chloritone is nothing but hypnotic drug. बोथ ही रिमेंबर फार्मूला के साथ नेम के साथ IUPAC नेम के साथ रिमेंबर कीजिए. राइट बेटा, आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड एवरीथिंग. सो आवर फर्स्ट चैप्टर हालोजन कंपाउंड्स वाज सक्सेसफुली कंप्लीटेड. ट्राई टू मेक प्रैक्टिस, थोड़ा सा ऑब्जेक्टिव को प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, सिनॉप्सिस को ओके ना एक नहीं नंबर ऑफ टाइम्स रिवीजन करना पड़ेगा. ओके ना, जब भी आपको ओके ना अच्छा स्कोर आएगा, एक अच्छा कॉलेज में सीट मिलेगा बेटा. ओके राइट, सो स्पीड अप कीजिए बेटा प्रिपरेशन. गुड लक ऑल ऑफ यू. ओके राइट.